Is your WordPress site not running smoothly? Are your WordPress maintenance tasks up to date? If the answer is no, don't worry. Here are 8 essential WordPress maintenance tasks for a smooth-running website. 1. Prioritize your WordPress site security. The first and most important WordPress maintenance task is to create a website security plan and execute it. The best way to secure your WordPress site is to use a security plugin such as Malware. Malware allows you to schedule daily scans of your site and alerts you immediately when it detects any suspicious activity. This plugin will help you always be in control of your site's security. Even if malware is detected, you can clean it up within minutes with a single click on Malware. Malware also offers firewall protection, which stops any incoming attacks such as brute force attacks and XSS attacks, which can prove to be very damaging to your site, visitors, and overall business. 2. Back up your site regularly. If you lose your website, you cannot take the trouble of starting it from scratch. Thus, the best solution is to back up your website. Create a backup of the data of your website and ensure to create more than one backup stored in different places. There are several ways to take backups of your WordPress site, such as using a backup plugin, relying on your web host's backups, or backing your site up manually. While all these options are feasible, the only reliable option is a backup plugin such as BlogVault, UpdraftPlus, Duplicator, etc. 3. Optimize your WordPress site performance. One of the biggest reasons visitors leave a website is if it's too slow to load. Thanks to the many tools and plugins available for WordPress sites, you can optimize your site to improve its performance. This includes WP Rocket. WP Rocket enhances website speed through features like page caching, browser caching, and CSS/JavaScript/HTML minification. Smush, a popular image optimization plugin. Smush automatically compresses and resizes images, ensuring faster loading times for WordPress websites without compromising image quality. W3 Total Cache. This comprehensive caching plugin optimizes website performance by caching pages, minimizing CSS and JavaScript, and integrating with content delivery networks (CDNs) to reduce server load. Jetpack. Developed by Automatic, Jetpack offers a suite of tools for WordPress websites, including performance enhancements, image optimization, downtime monitoring, and security features, making it an all-in-one solution for website optimization and management. 4. Update WordPress and WordPress themes and plugins. Regularly updating WordPress core, themes, and plugins is crucial for maintaining the security and performance of your website. First, update WordPress core. For that, go to the WordPress dashboard, click on Updates. If there's a new WordPress version available, click Update Now. However, for better performance, you can also select Switch to automatic updates for maintenance and security releases only. Next, to update themes, go to the WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance and select Themes. Identify the theme that needs updating, click on it, and then click Update Now. Next, to update plugins, go to WordPress dashboard, Plugins, and locate the plugins with available updates. Select the plugins you want to update, then click Update Plugins. 5. Review your site SEO. Your site's SEO is an important factor in how your potential customers find your website. You can use the plugin Rank Math SEO to review your site's SEO. It is one of the most popular and trusted SEO plugins that will help you optimize content while writing as well as the old ones. This plugin lets you review your old content, check for meta descriptions, meta tags, and tiles, and show you your SEO score for your posts and pages. 6. Review website passwords. Website passwords are the second highest reason for security breaches on WordPress. Thus, there are some password practices that you must follow. Use capital and lowercase letters, numbers, symbols, and punctuations in your passwords. Make use of lengthy passwords. Use a password manager to generate and store passwords. Frequently update your password. Do not repeat passwords across accounts. 7. Update site information. As your business grows, several changes are pertinent to your customers. These changes may be recorded officially, but the only way for your visitors to know of them is through your website. Updating your site information such as the About Us page, contact information, and significant changes to the products and services is important to stay in touch with your customers. 8. Delete inactive themes and plugins. To delete inactive themes, go to WordPress Dashboard, Appearance, and Themes. Here, click on the theme that you wish to delete. Now click on the Delete button here. To delete plugins, go to WordPress Dashboard, Plugins, Inactive Plugins, and then click Delete. And that's all. These were 8 essential WordPress maintenance tasks for a smooth-running website. Check learnwoo.com for more videos, articles, and resources related to websites, WooCommerce, and WordPress. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep getting updates on more such videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.